Hello mommies, this is Mame and welcome to our first unboxing of Doopser's latest product, which is Doopser DPS 8009, or we call it Doopser 9 for short. Okay, so let's see what our Doopser box says. Okay, so this one has a memory function, has a built-in lithium battery, massage mode and expression mode, both in 9 levels. Meron din siyang extended breast shield and it simulates baby suction. Okay. Alright. So, ganito itsura niya. This is the box. Ayan. Ito, walang kamatayang breastfeeding. Ayan. Alright. So, let's open it and let's see the contents. Motor, instruction manual, strap, USB cable and charger, Y tubing and single tubing. Ayan. Massage pad, 24 mm flange, manual handle, your breast kit, nipple and bottle cap. So let's go directly to the star of this set, which is this pump. Alright, so what is great about this pump? I'll first demo this and then later on we'll go through it one by one. Okay, so this is the power button. This is where you put your tubing. This is where yung suction nangyayari. Dito mo ikakabit yung charger, yung USB cable. Tapos dito mo rin isasabit yung cord mo. Ayan. Okay. This is the front. Ito yung LED natin na phase. So, let's open it. Long press. Ayan. So, merong flashing symbols dyan. I will explain that later. This is the level. It goes all the way up to level 9. This is the timer. Ang auto-off niya is 30 minutes. Battery. And this is the symbol for the modes. Ayan. Okay, so now how do we increase the levels? Push this triangle button up. Ayan, slowly. Actually, light touch lang. Ayan, oh, ayan, light touch lang. Ayan, if you can hear it. Ayan, parang mabilis ang suction niya. Now, to decrease, light touch ulit. All the way up to level 1. Alright? So that's the up and down function. Now, this is how you change the mode. Itong circle dyan. Right now, it's in the massage mode or the single drop symbol. We will now change it to expression mode. So, naging double drop symbol naman siya. And the third mode is the milk collection mode, or as how I call it, the mixed mode. This mixed mode, auto-off niya is 5 minutes. Compared to massage mode and expression mode, na 30 minutes, this mode naman, auto-shut-off is 5 minutes. So, important yun to remember. Okay, so what is the fourth symbol? This is the latest addition to the Doopser collection. Kasi sa ibang pumps that we have, wala itong symbol na to. Kung mapapansin mo, kanina, di ba, merong blinking LED, right? So, na nasa number 6. It's because, if you click this one, it goes to your favorite setting. This is my favorite setting, which is level 6 and expression mode. So, ganyan. Nice, di ba? So, if you already find the one that you like, the level that you like, all you need to do is just click this one. Alright? Okay. How do you close this? Short press lang. Let's now go to how do you use this pump, okay? So for mommies na new or no experience into using a breast pump, Doopser 9 is what I can recommend that you use because all you need to do is open it to start your pumping session. That's it. So i-demo ko siya and I will explain to you why. Alright? Okay. So long press, blinking, and as you can see, it automatically goes back to level 1 massage mode. And the massage mode is important because this mode helps you bring the milk out sa breast mo. So, it triggers the milk let down. Alright? So, how does that happen? From level 1, it steadily and smoothly increases every 45 seconds up to level 5. Ayan. So, later on, mapapansin natin na magiging level 2 na siya. Then, afterwards, magiging level 3, 4, and 5. This, ayan, nag-2 na siya. So, this helps you trigger yung milk letdown. And what I like then is that when you start it, hindi siya masakit. Kasi yun yung problem kapag halimbawa, new moms ka, your breasts are sore and sensitive. So, ayaw natin mag-start on a strong suction mode. This one will make sure that you don't go through all of that. Now, after level 5, sabihin natin na tapos na yung massage mode mo. All you need to do is just change it or increase it to the preferred level of suction that you like. Sabihin natin massage mode, go ahead. Ayan, okay? Then if you feel that you can still tolerate more suction, just change it to expression mode and look for the tolerable suction strength that you can tolerate. Important word dito is tolerable. Hindi kailangang masakit. So, sabihin natin na ang pinakamalakas na setting that you can use lang is level 3 expression mode. That's good enough. So, no need to increase it just because you can still do so. Alright? Okay. So, paano mo naman isi-save ang favorite setting mo? Alright, ulitin natin sa simula. Okay? So, long press. Ayan, may blinking light. Tapos, nasa 3 and expression mode. So, yun yung sinave ko na setting prior. So, ang gagawin naman natin, magsasave tayo ng bago. Alright. So, sabihin natin, ang gusto kong setting is level 7. Okay? Alright. So, pupunta ako sa expression mode. Mag-change mode muna ako. Please take note na you can only save your favorite setting sa expression mode. Dun lang siya gumagana. It cannot save your setting sa massage or dun sa mixed mode. Okay? So, expression mode lang siya. Okay. So, sabihin natin na ang favorite setting ko is level 7 expression mode. So, I'll just go to level 7. Ayan. Alright. And then, I'll just press this one until mag-blink siya. Okay, try natin. Ayan. So, nag-blink na. Okay? So, nakasave na. I-try natin mag-increase, decrease. Ayan. Okay, punta tayo sa massage mode, ay sa mixed mode. Ayan. So, ganyan, diba? Halimbawa, nakaikot na ako sa lahat ng modes. Close natin. Okay, dapat, kapag bumukas ito, mag-blink siya sa level 7 expression mode. Okay? Alright. Tadaan! Level 7 expression mode. Okay? Alright. Tapos, sabihin natin, gusto kong pumunta na kagad doon. Ayan. Pumunta na siya sa level 7 expression mode. Isa pa. Try ulit natin. Gusto ko ng level 2 ng expression mode. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko is, I'll just scroll this down. I'll just push this down until level 2. I'll just click the symbol until mag-blink siya. Ayan. Dapat nakasave na ang setting ng level 2 expression mode. Okay? Close natin. Open. Tadan! Ayan, nakasave na. Alright? Tapos, sabihin natin, gusto ko nang pumunta sa setting na favorite ko, na level 2 expression mode. O, diba? It's very simple. It's very quick lang gamitin. Okay? Alright. Isa-isahin natin ang mga parts. So, nakita nyo na to. This is the motor. Operating instruction. Ayan. Strap. Ikakabit mo siya dito. USB, micro USB and charger adapter. This is your single tubing. This is your Y tubing. This is your nipple and bottle cap. Buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano laman niya. Ayan. At may sealing disc siya. Ito. This is your breast kit. Meron siyang valve. Ito ang valve. Meron siyang spare valve. Ayan. Tapos meron din siyang pangbutas ng nipple. Ayan. Ilalapit ko. Ayan. Pambutas siya ng nipple para lumaki. Okay? This is the upper cover and this is the vacuum. Ayan. Ito yung gagalaw para sa suction. This is your manual handle. Your 24mm flange. Ayan. And you have your massage pad. Ayan, 24mm massage pad. Pati ito, merong nakalagay na 24mm. Kinalas ko yung parts para samahan nyo akong buuin yung ating setup na double pump. So let's start with this one. Ikakabit ang valve. Ikakabit ang vacuum. Okay. Ikakabit ang upper cover. Flange. Massage pad. Bottle. Ayan, nagawa na yung isa. So, let's do it again with the other one. The next is connect the Y tubing. Itong dalawang to, ito yung mas mahaba. Pupunta ito dito. This one goes to your motor. Okay? Y tubing adapter goes there. Ayan. So, hanggang dyan lang siya. May space talaga. The other one. Motor. how to connect single tubing. So get this tubing, connect it to your breast kit, connect the other end of your single tubing to the motor. This is how you will assemble your manual pump. Okay, so first is get your breast kit, then your vacuum na may orange na ganito. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa kanya. Okay, ayan, press down. Get your handle and then ipasok mo siya sa first node dito. Okay, yon. Okay, and then kung papansin mo medyo maluwag, that's fine, press down. Okay, alright, so ganyan na siya. Ayan, kung mapapansin mo maliit lang yung movement niya because you are in massage mode. So konti lang, hindi siya masakit na pagpa-pump. Okay, now gawin naman natin is how do you make it stronger? Expression mode naman. Okay, alright, so we have to remove everything, and then all you need to do is insert it on the second node naman dito. Ayan, so ilalock mo muna siya bago mo ipasok sa ikabit sa breast kit. So nakakabit na siya. Ayan. Press down first here and then press there. Ayan. So, mas malakas ang swing ng handle mo. Okay. So, gaano kalakas naman ang suction strength ni Doopser 9? For this demo, we will use an Imani cup and Imani suction gauge. Thank you very much, Imani, for lending us this, the gauge and the cup for this demo. Okay. So, i-open natin. Okay, ayan. So, at lowest setting, merong nagpapakita na mga 80 to 90 suction strength. Ayan. At strongest setting ng massage mode, it's showing 225 mmHg. Ayan. So, let's try naman expression mode. So, at level 1, it's showing about 150 to 175 suction strength. Ayan. Increase natin to level 9. Ayan. Pumapalo pa na more than 300. So, mga 310, 20 to. 320 ang strongest level ng Doopser 9. So, try natin sa mixed mode. Yan, napapansin niyo ba kung anong difference ng mixed mode? Yan o. 1. Ayan, so merong dalawang short na 150 at dalawang long na 300.